Editorial section 115 BBG inserted by the Finance Act 2013 with the effect to 1st April 2018. Section 4. Charge to income tax, capital or revenue, sale of emission reduction credit capital receipt. Section 21. Dismissing the approval of the revenue of a court held that the sale of certified emission reduction credit, which the assessee has earned on the clean development mechanism in a wind energy operation, is an capital receipt not taxable. It's a capital receipt not taxable. So CIT versus Wescare India Limited. Sale of certified emission reduction credit, the assessee has owned on the clean development mechanism in the wind energy operation is a capital receipt. It's a capital receipt. It's not taxable. Hmm. It's a capital receipt. So very good. So I'm doing something of doing the clean emission. I'm having wind energy. Government is giving some credit. On that credit, that is credit is not receipt. It can be classified as a revenue receipt and tax it out. If I sell something out of it and I gain an amount I gain is capital receipt, not a revenue receipt. The profit should be allowed. So that's a very good thing, na? Very good thing. Very good thing.